Okay, so what if the system of equations we're solving is not only linear? So we can solve a system of nonlinear equations, so two equations with two or more variables that has at least one that's not linear. So what we could have is here's some possibilities. We could have a circle and a line. We could have a parabola and a line. We could have two circles or a circle and an oval, right? So in each of these cases, at least one of my equations is not just a line, okay? So when that happens, there's a lot of different things that could happen. They could do not crossing at all, no solutions. They could have one solution, two solutions. They could have three solutions. In this one down here, we see that this circle and this oval cross in 3 points. They could even have four solutions. You see how a circle and a parabola could cross in 4 points? So we can use the same methods we solved for linear equations to systems of linear equations to solve nonlinear ones. So graphing or elimination. Again, I'm always going to choose graphing. So solve each of these systems by the method of your choice. My method is going to be graphing. So I'm going to start by graphing these two equations. Negative 2x squared plus y is negative 5, and 6x minus y is 9. And I'm going to see how many times and where they cross. Remember, a solution is an ordered pair. So if you have more than one solution, then you're going to have two different ordered pairs. So negative 2x squared plus y is 5. So I'm going to pull up my Desmos and graph this negative 2x squared plus y equals 5. And 6x minus y is 9. Sorry, this was negative 5. And 6x minus y equals 9. Let me check and make sure I got that right. 6x minus y is 9, negative 2x squared plus y is negative 5. If you hit the home button over here, it'll take your window right back to what it started with. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit because it's kind of hard to see here. I see that it crosses in 2 places. So this is a parabola. The green one is the parabola. It has an x squared. And the purple one is a line. And it crosses in 2 places. At the point 1 comma negative 3 and at the point 2 comma 3. Okay, so I had a parabola and a line. And it crossed in 2 places, 1 comma negative 3 and 2 comma 3. So this has 2 solutions. The first one is 1 comma negative 3. The second one is 2 comma 3. So the nice part about Desmos is that it just graphs these without having to solve for y. You don't have to think about how did the parabola get moved. Okay, here's another one. X squared plus y squared is 26, and 3x squared plus 25y squared is 100. It turns out that these are like a circle and an ellipse. So again, I'm just going to put those in my Desmos. X squared plus y squared is 26, and 3x squared plus 25y squared is 100. 25y squared equals 100. So a circle and an ellipse. And you see that they cross in 4 places. Here, 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 and there. So all 4 places there. Okay, so circle and ellipse. The first one, x squared plus y squared is 26, is the circle. And the second one is the ellipse, and it crossed in 4 places. So I have this circle. These drawings are bad. I have an ellipse. It crossed in 4 places there. Negative 5, 1, negative 5, negative 1, 5, 1, and 5, negative 1. So 4 solutions to this one.